Well, hey, I was thinking, and I know that can be a bad thing sometimes, but we just unboxed the new shocks for the 84 Chev. It's still just after work. I know in the end of that video I said I was going to go inside and get something to eat, and I haven't done that yet. Still 12:21. Got to thinking. Well, Cledus does not have shocks in the back. I don't think that truck ever had shock absorbers. Now the shocks on the 3/4 ton are still probably going to be good. How would I add them to the back of the truck? Not that I really need them. I'm just kind of thinking. If we can crawl under here and look. So, as you can see there, I have a shock mount on the axle. Now, this is not the right axle for this truck. This is a full floating 10 bolt. Excuse me, 14 bolt. But what I don't have is any place on the frame for a shock to mount. There's no provisions, no standoffs, no nothing. I was just wondering, what would it take? Oh, can we? It's soaking wet. If it's, you can see up there. I might be able. I don't think I'm going to be able to get the light off here. I'm sure the 3/4 ton shocks are too small. But it's like, if I punch a hole through the frame, run a good, because really all it is just that, I don't know what you want to call it, a shock standoff or whatnot. We don't even have one right here in the box, but I wonder if I could add shocks to the 63. Yeah. Basically, it's just one of those, right? Through bolted to the frame. I might just look into that. Again, it doesn't really need them. The back end is so stiff on that truck, and I don't haul anything, so. But, might be one of those things. If these rear shocks on the 63 are on the 84, I mean, they're not leaking. Once we pull them off, if they're still serviceable and they look like they might be the right length, maybe I look into possibly just bolting them up. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do a whole nother set of videos. Again, don't really need to, but couldn't hurt anything. I don't think I'd put ranchos on the front, but hey, you never know. Probably wouldn't hurt to buy new shocks on the front of that truck anyway, for who knows how old they are. But, yeah, just thinking. Project ideas. So, with that, I'm going inside. Now I got 2 videos to upload. So, let me know what you think in the comments below. Should I or shouldn't I? Even if, if these might work, if they're still good, I can just use them, reuse them. If not, I'll buy a cheap set of Monroe's or something like that. I don't know, is there anything, such thing as a cheap shock absorber anymore? So, we'll just, like I said, just kind of thinking. It's foggy out here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. That's fog blowing in. Wrapped around the street light up there too. So, alrighty. Enough of this. leave you with pretty lights in the front yard. Can't tell you.